Have you ever felt like time has slipped through your fingers, leaving behind a sense of missed opportunities and shattered dreams? What lies beneath this feeling of loss? The universe, in its infinite wisdom, holds the power to restore everything that seems lost, offering us a chance to start over and transform. Picture a scenario where what once felt like waste is reborn, where every lost year is simply a step toward a greater purpose. Get ready to discover how, through a deeper understanding and connection with universal forces, you can reclaim and transform what once seemed irreparable. Are you prepared to explore how the universe silently works to restore and rebalance your life, bringing new beginnings and unexpected abundance? Sometimes, we feel like time has slipped away, leaving us with nothing but the sensation of lost opportunities and broken dreams. This feeling of frustration, as if we're trapped in a cycle of regret, can be overwhelming and paralyzing. However, there's a fascinating perspective that offers us a glimmer of hope. The universe has a magical and mysterious way of restoring what seems lost. Let's imagine the universe as a vast tapestry of possibilities and potential, where every thread of our life is woven into a larger design. Even when we believe time has been wasted, the universe continues to operate with silent precision, adjusting and restoring the balance in our lives. Like an artist reworking their masterpiece, the universe repairs and renews what was undone, bringing back what seemed beyond recovery. This vision of restoration is deeply rooted in the belief that nothing is truly lost, only temporarily hidden. When we look at our own journey through this new lens, we begin to realize that each moment of apparent loss is actually a prelude to a new and vibrant opportunity. From this perspective, the true magic of the universe's restoration begins to unfold, offering us a glimpse of a refreshed outlook on time and the opportunities ahead of us. The universe's power of restoration. The universe, with its infinite complexity and mystery, works quietly to maintain balance and harmony in our lives. It's as if there's an invisible force working behind the scenes, adjusting and restoring what's needed for life to follow its natural course. Often, we don't notice this subtle action, but it's through this process that the universe corrects the course and guides us back to a path of fulfillment and peace. The signs that the universe is restoring what was lost can be as subtle as a gentle breeze or as obvious as an unexpected opportunity that appears when we least expect it. These moments of clarity and discovery are like small reminders that we're being guided and supported. Restoration can manifest as new connections, beneficial changes, or deep insights, each reflecting the quiet work of the universe. Belief in the universe's restorative power isn't just a fantasy. It's deeply rooted in various spiritual and philosophical traditions around the world. Many cultures and teachings suggest that the universe is a living organism that constantly seeks to restore balance and well-being to its creations. Embracing this belief can transform our perspective on challenges and losses, helping us see each obstacle as an opportunity for growth and renewal. Moments of abundance and unexpected blessings. The universe, with its inherent generosity, has the power to restore financial prosperity in ways that often seem magical. When we least expect it, we might find new income sources or receive unexpected help, like a divine gift that arrives just when we need it. These moments of abundance aren't just luck, they're tangible manifestations of the universe's restorative work. However, abundance isn't limited to material wealth. The true gifts of the universe also reveal themselves in moments of genuine joy, acts of selfless kindness, and serendipitous encounters that touch our hearts. These are the subtle signs that the universe is working to offer us blessings that go beyond money, manifesting in experiences and relationships that enrich our lives in immeasurable ways. When we share the abundance we receive, we send out a message of trust and generosity that further amplifies the flow of blessings. This act of giving not only benefits others but also reinforces the idea that there's always enough for everyone. The universe then rewards us with a continuous cycle of generosity and gratitude, reinforcing the belief that abundance is an endless current that benefits all. The role of hope in restoration. Hope is like a light shining in the darkness, guiding us through life's most challenging moments. When we're immersed in difficulties, it's hope that helps us persevere and believe that restoration is possible. It acts as an internal compass, pointing us forward and keeping the flame of possibility alive, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. Stories of overcoming adversity and resilience are powerful testimonies to the transformative impact of hope. Every tale of someone rising after a fall or finding a new direction amid chaos is proof that hope can create significant change. These inspiring examples remind us that even in the darkest times, hope can be the force that drives us to reach new heights. Hope, by strengthening our belief in restoration, also reminds us that no setback is final. Every challenge, every difficulty, is a disguised opportunity for growth and reinvention. By keeping hope alive, we give the universe a chance to work its restorative magic and guide us toward a brighter, fuller future. Aligning with the universe's purpose. Aligning with the universe's purpose is like finding the perfect rhythm in a cosmic dance, where every movement resonates with universal harmony. When we manage to sync our desires and actions with the flow of the universe, we experience a profound sense of inner peace and fulfillment. This alignment is a sign that we are on a path that not only benefits us but also contributes to the overall balance of the cosmos. This process of alignment isn't just about finding inner peace, it's also about deep spiritual transformation. As we align with the universe's purpose, we begin to awaken to a new understanding of our existence, revealing hidden aspects of our spirituality and purpose. This awakening is an invitation to explore deeper layers of our connection with the divine and the world around us. The journey of aligning with the universe's purpose is one of continuous discovery and personal growth. Each step on this path not only reflects our own evolution but also contributes to a greater collective spiritual awareness. As we dive deeper into this process, we start to see how the universe guides and supports us, preparing us for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Overcoming regret. Regret is a burden we carry like an invisible weight, often holding us back from moving forward and fully embracing the present. It can become a silent obstacle, affecting our well-being and clouding our vision of the future. The key to overcoming regret lies in cultivating self-compassion and focusing on the present and the future, rather than dwelling on the past. Self-compassion is an essential practice that allows us to treat ourselves with the same kindness and understanding we would offer a dear friend. By embracing the present and looking to the future with a renewed spirit, we can learn from our experiences without letting regret define us. This process is like releasing a tethered balloon, allowing the past to drift away and new possibilities to emerge. Strategies like gratitude, mindfulness, and self-reflection provide valuable tools for managing regret. Practicing gratitude helps us recognize and appreciate what we have now, while mindfulness keeps us anchored in the present. Self-reflection, in turn, allows us to understand our choices and grow from them, transforming regret into a stepping stone for personal transformation and growth. Clarity of thought and perspective. During the journey of restoration, clarity of thought emerges as a revealing light, dispersing the fog of confusion and allowing us to see the path ahead with fresh eyes. As we delve deeper into this process, we begin to gain a deeper understanding of our own motivations and the challenges we face. This clarity not only illuminates our minds but also helps us make decisions that are more aligned with our true selves. Gaining clarity often comes as a result of moments of introspection and stillness. When we allow ourselves time for reflection and rest, answers and insights tend to surface more easily. It's like uncovering precious pearls hidden within the depths of our being, offering us a clearer vision of how to tackle challenges and embrace the opportunities that come our way. With this newfound clarity, we can approach challenges with a renewed sense of serenity. Instead of reacting impulsively to difficulties, we are able to handle each situation with a calm and strategic perspective. This state of inner peace allows us to face obstacles more effectively, transforming each difficulty into an opportunity for personal growth and transformation. Healing as part of restoration. Emotional healing is a crucial element in the mosaic of restoration, allowing us to confront and reconcile past traumas and internal conflicts. It is a profound process that makes room for transformation, enabling pain and suffering to be released, giving way to new vitality and inner peace. This healing journey is like a rebirth, where each painful experience becomes an opportunity for renewal and growth. The impact of emotional healing extends beyond the psychological realm, directly influencing our physical health. As we heal our inner wounds, we often notice improvements in physical well-being, reflecting the interconnectedness of mind and body. Thus, healing manifests not only as a resolution of internal conflicts but also as a path to a more robust and balanced physical health. The new beginnings that emerge after healing are tangible signs of the universe's restorative work. Each step in this process brings us closer to a brighter future, filled with new opportunities and possibilities. Healing, therefore, is not just a return to a previous state but a continuous transformation that prepares us to embrace and explore new phases of our personal and spiritual journey. Embracing new beginnings. New beginnings are like doors opening to unexplored landscapes, offering opportunities for personal restoration and transformation. Each fresh start represents a chance to redefine our path and pursue new goals, moving away from the shadows of the past and embracing the brightness of future potential. This moment of renewal is an opportunity to rewrite our story with courage and renewed hope. Letting go of the past is crucial for exploring new possibilities. By releasing old patterns and experiences that no longer serve us, we can create space for the new and the unexpected. This act of letting go is like preparing the soil for a new planting, where new ideas and dreams can flourish in fertile, open ground. The universe guides us toward these new beginnings through intuition and synchronicity, revealing signs that direct us to what truly matters. As we follow this guidance, we find that each step forward reflects our inner journey, and each new beginning is an invitation to explore and embrace the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The path to restoration. The path to restoration is an ongoing journey, marked by challenges that demand courage, resilience, and introspection. Each stage of this journey offers a chance for personal growth, requiring us to confront our shadows and discover the inner strength needed to move forward. This journey is a process of transformation where every difficulty is an invitation to evolve and find new horizons. Cultivating a mindset of abundance and gratitude is essential for opening doors to new possibilities. When we adopt an abundance perspective, we recognize and value the riches we already possess, and gratitude anchors us in the present. These elements not only help us overcome obstacles but also prepare us to receive what the universe has to offer with an open and receptive heart. Despite the challenges that arise along the way, the path of restoration is filled with moments of joy and transformation. Each difficulty faced is an opportunity to celebrate small victories and appreciate the deep connections we form. As we continue our journey, we discover that the path of restoration is as meaningful as the destinations we reach, offering us a rich tapestry of experiences and lessons. Are you ready to embrace the transformative potential that the universe offers? The restoration of the years you believe were wasted is a journey full of opportunities for growth and renewal. Now that you understand how healing, new beginnings, and an abundance mindset can change your life, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Ask yourself, what are you ready to release and transform? How can you start aligning your life with the greater purpose the universe has for you? Don't miss the chance to subscribe and turn on notifications to continue learning about how to connect more deeply with the universe and discover the true potential of your journey.